Okay guys, what we got here is a BMW 335 IS. It's a 2013. The hood latch was stuck on both sides and we couldn't get the hood open. We couldn't figure it out. Listen, ignore all the other videos. They say you can pop the grill out and do it. You're literally reaching through this little tiny itty bitty hole trying to get to this. You can't even see this one because there's a piece in the way. I mean, depending on the year, make, and model, you might can get away with that. But this one had like a whole lip in the way, so you couldn't even put a screwdriver through the hood to pop this like people were showing. So everything I was seeing online, shit wasn't working. A lot of videos said pop the passenger side fender liner out and reach for the latch and push it on this side. None of that crap worked. So I'm gonna save you all the trouble. Ignore the bumper. It was like that before. So the hood latch, this piece, we tried to pull it really hard and this actually came out, so it wasn't even in the vehicle anymore. So it literally fully disconnected and we just had this. So what I did was I took the fender liner completely out. You're gonna need to remove it all the way. Part of it's still in there for us, but once you get it broken loose, you're going to reach for this. This is going to be down in here somewhere, and it's attached to something in there, one of these little hooks. It don't really matter. You're still gonna have to do it. So what I did, took the fender liner out, I pulled this back. It's easier to see with the hood off to figure it out, but see where this latch is? It was like up there. So what I had to do is stick my arm through here and reach up and grab it. Once I found it, there's a little tab right here, you can see. I had to break that loose. It's just, you just gotta pull on it real hard. And once I pulled it loose, then look, here's your two cables. You wanna grab each cable. You're not gonna be able to do it with your hands because you're not gonna have as much space. I have more space because I've got the hood open now. Get you some channel lock pliers, pair of needle nose or something, and you want to grab both pieces and pop each hood latch individually. Make sure it fully pops, and then pull the hood open. So this is the easiest way. It took me like maybe 30 minutes to do this. Take the wheel off, take the fender liner out, and I had to dig around and find it. Once I got it, I popped it loose, I brought it through here, and I pulled the wires. Okay, now, if your hood latch isn't broken, then you're all locked in. Ours just came loose, but if it's not broken, then what you want to do is get some WD-40. You want to lube this side up really good. Grease it, whatever. If you want to be really precautious, take this sumbitch off and replace it with a new one. But what we're doing, we're going to put new latches on here because ours are fully seized. Like, I had to pull really hard. So what I did was we pulled this out. We're going to hook it up and we're going to run it up here at the hood and tape it down. And then we can just take a pair of pliers, pull this, and pop the hood each time. That's what we're going to do for temporarily until we can get this car dialed in. My friend just bought it. It had a stuck hood, and he got a really good deal on it. So just remember, go through the fender liner, find it. This is giving you a good visual. So like you're here, and here's the engine bay. There's latch number 2. Here's latch number 1. And it's going to be right in here. I actually think maybe this little piece is where it was connected to. We pulled the whole cable came out and went all the way through the inside of the car. So we kind of got screwed on that. But this was still here. It was bolted in. We found it and we pulled them. And now car runs good as, it's locked in. We can get the hood open. But we're just going to put this in there. And we're going to tape it up at this and pull it till we can replace it. We're going to get a new cable and new latches so this doesn't happen again. But that's it for this. I hope y'all figure it out. It shouldn't take you too long. But remember, driver's side, not the passenger. You got this.